Good morning, afternoon, or evening. How y'all doing today? Welcome back to Mr. Morrow's Algebra 2 class. All right, guys. So far we've learned how to solve systems by graphing. We've also learned how to solve systems by substitution. And today, in my opinion, the easiest one, we're going to learn how to solve systems by elimination. I love elimination. I think it's the quickest and easiest. And you'll see for yourself, and you can make your own decision. Okay, so elimination method. What is the solution to the system of equations? When we're doing elimination, guys, it's a little bit of a different rhythm, okay? I'm not being sarcastic, but think about the logic here. The graphing method, we graphed to find the solution. Substitution method, we found the value of one variable and substituted it back in. So now, in this particular case, guys, we're going to choose a variable that we are literally going to eliminate. And we're going to eliminate them because we are going to be adding the two systems together. And when we add them together, the goal is to eliminate one of them. So in this particular case, I've got 4x plus 2y equals 9 and negative 4x plus 3y equals 16. I want to solve this system by substitution. So I'm going to add both of these together. And when I add both of these together, because sometimes it's going to work out nice and pretty like this, what's 4x minus 4x, guys? The x is eliminated. So now I'm only left with 5y equals 25. I go ahead and solve for my y. Y equals 5. And now that y equals 5, guys, what do you think I do now? I plug it back into either one of the equations. I don't care, neither should you. I don't care, so which one do you want to plug it back into? Because literally, I don't care. Okay, we'll do the top one. I think that would have been wise. So I've got 4x plus 2 times 5 equals 9. 4x plus 10 equals 9. 4x equals negative 1 divided by 4. X equals negative 1/4. My solution is negative 1/4, comma, 5. So again, line up the equation, variable to variable. So you want x to x, y to y. Add the equations together, making sure that one of the variables is eliminated. Then substitute the value of the variable you just solved for, comma, in either of the given equations and solve for the other variable. This is not that bad, is it? I think it's the quickest and easiest, especially when it's set up for you like that already. Okay. Next, what is the solution of the system? Okay, I got 2x plus 7y equals 4 and 3x plus 5y equals negative 5. Whoa, wait a second, Morrow. Hold on, dude. When you add these together, does anything cancel out, guys? So what do you think we have to do to make something cancel? Yes, sir, my brother. Okay, I love what you just said. What my boy figured out was he went ahead and figured out, okay, I'm going to have to just eliminate one of them. So in this particular case, he chose to get rid of the x. So that goes to step 1. Sometimes you will have equations that do not eliminate easily. In these cases, you need to line up the equations and create an equivalent system by multiplying each side of one or both equations in the system by the same non-zero number. He wants to get rid of x. So he says, I want to make this 2x here. I'm going to multiply this up here by a 3, making this a 6x plus 21y equals 12. And I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by a negative 2. And I want to multiply by a negative 2 because I want to eliminate the x. Now, again, guys, he eliminated the x because he chose to. You could have chosen to get rid of the y. It does not matter, and it never will matter. You choose what's easiest for you. By x's, I've got 11y equals 22, y equals 2. Now that y equals 2, plug it into either this guy or this guy. Who do you guys want to plug it into, the purple or the green? Because I don't care. Purple? Let's do it. So we'll do it in purple. So we've got 3x plus 5 times 2 equals negative 5. So subtract the 10. 3x equals negative 15. So x equals negative 5. And my solution then would be negative 5, comma 2. Can I check to see if that works? How? Plug it in. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Okay? Negative 10 plus 14 is 4. That works. Negative 15 plus 10 is negative 5. That works. Yes, sir, my brother.
I solved for x when it was already like they're all multiplied already. Like I solved for x for the bottom one.
You solve for x for the bottom one. I don't know what you mean.
Like for for negative 6x minus 10y equals 10.
Yeah?
Will it ever like and I got the right answer? Give me the wrong answer.
No, but if you solve for x, you did it wrong because you did substitution. Oh, wait. You eliminated the y's first?
No, I eliminated the x.
If you eliminated the x's and there's no solving for x, you eliminated the x. Does that make sense, my man?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1 second. Hold on. All right, guys. So okay, that's it. That's elimination. So let's do it. All right, what are the solutions? Again, God, I love elimination. Check this out. When we're doing this one, we're adding them together. Well, guess what? Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. What the? Is that a true statement? Thank you. If it's a true statement, it's all real solutions. Okay? Good job. How about B? No solution. That's a 0 equals 16. Is that a true statement? So false statements are no solution. Very good. Did I skip some? No, I did not. Okay. We're good. Next. Who do you want to get rid of? The x? Okay. What do I have to multiply this and what do I multiply this by? Top one by 2, the bottom one by, okay. Very good. So now I've got 10x plus 8y equals 20. Negative 10x plus 15y equals negative 135. Bye-bye. So 23y equals negative 115. And y will equal negative 5. Now that y is negative, yes, sir? No, go for it, brother. Talk to me. Please. B, yeah. What? Wait, what? Here? Yes, sir. Because 3 times 2 is positive 6. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, and I want to cancel it out. No, why are you saying sorry? Because you care? Thank you, son. Does that make sense? Thanks, brother. Thank you. All right, so next, guys. Sorry about that. So y equals negative 5. Plug it back in. Who do you want to plug it into? The top or the bottom? I don't care. Bottom? Okay. So I got negative 2x minus 15 equals negative 27. Add the 15. Negative 2x equals negative 12. X equals 6. So my solution, 6, negative 5. And I can check that. So on our test, guys, at the end of the test, when you're done, you think you're done, go ahead, please, and check it. Yes, sir, my brother. Yes, sir, because I got negative 2x equals negative 12, so I divided by a negative 2. I apologize. I skipped a step. And that be x equals 6. Thank you, my man. Thank you. Okay, last but not least, What do I have to do here first, guys? Thank you. Very good. I first have to add 6x, guys, because I want to line up the x's and the y's when I'm doing elimination, okay? So this is really going to be 6x plus 4y equals 30, and then 7x plus 10y equals 35. Who do you want to get rid of? I would have done the y as well. What do you want to multiply this top one by? What do you want to multiply the bottom one by? Okay, you want to multiply the top by 10, and the bottom has to be multiplied by negative 4. I would have done that way easier, but I'm just doing what I'm told. Yes, there's a much easier way. You could have used 20 as the common value, right? So you multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by negative 2. So then this will be 30x plus 20y equals 150 minus 14x minus 20y equals negative 70. And then that's going to be a 16x equals 80 divided by 16. So x equals 5. Now that x equals 5, I would plug it into this top one, right? Because you already have a y here. That's what I would do. So I go 4y equals, that's negative 30 plus 30 is 0. So y equals 0. So my solution is 5, 0. Does that make sense, guys? Not bad, right? Okay. May I continue? Because now comes the fun part. Okay? All right. Don't stress. Don't stress. Carlos and Juan, hey, those are pretty good names. Carlos and Juan attend a baseball game with their kids. They get to the game early to watch batting practice and have a dinner. Juan says that he will buy dinner. Thanks, Juan. He gets 7 hot dogs and 5 Pepsis for $38.25. After the 6th inning, everyone is hungry again. So Carlos buys 5 hot dogs and 4 Pepsis for $28.50. Find the price of each hot dog and Pepsi. Guys, the key here is setting it up. And before you set up, label, brothers, bless you. I would say me, okay? This is me. You do what you got to do. I'm going to call X the hot dogs. Maybe people want to choose H. I don't care. Maybe they want to choose D for dogs. I don't care. Whatever you feel comfortable with. And then my Y, I'm going to choose Y are the number of Pepsis. Okay? So now, guess what? If you did that, you just got yourself some points. You just got yourself some points by labeling. Now, let's set up the system. Okay. We know that he got 7 hot dogs plus 5 Pepsis for $38.25. And then Carlos bought 5 hot dogs and 4 Pepsis for $28.50. Guess what, guys? If you did these first 2 parts, you got half of the question right already. Yes, you got half the question right. Remember, guys, it's not that difficult to add things. Anyone can pretty much do that. What takes challenge is to set things up, to understand the concept. So that's half right there. Now, let's rock and roll. Okay, I like your attitude. He wants to solve for y. So I'm going to multiply this top by what? What do you want to do it by? 4. Okay. You could have done it by negative 4, though, and then you would have done the bottom one by 5. I just want you to know there's options, okay? So I've got 28x plus 20y equals, I would let you use a calculator in this case, just for speed, so times 4. And again, if I give you a question like this, you will be able to use a calculator. I'm not here to hurt you. Negative 25x minus 20y equals 2850 times negative 5. would be negative 142.50. So this is going to be 3x equals, what's that, 750? 153 minus 142.5. No, what's wrong with me? 1050. 750. 1050 divided by 3. And x equals, it should be 3.5. Yep. So x equals 3.5. So that means that the hot dogs cost 350 per hot dog. That's the cost. Now, how do I find my y? Plug it in. So 7 times 3.5 plus 5y equals 38.25. 3.5 times 7, that should be 24.5 plus 5y equals 38.25. Subtract 5y will equal 38 minus 24.5. That's 13.75 divided by 5. Y would equal 275. So my solutions here, 350 for each hot dog, 275 for each Pepsi. That's the beauty of elimination. It is easy. Thank you, brother. And again, please don't worry about the decimals or the speed of your addition or multiplication. I promise you, you will be able to use a calculator if there are questions that are convoluted like this. Make sense? Okay. Let's go. Last one. See what we got here. At a fast food joint, 5 cheeseburgers and 3 medium shakes cost $15.50. At the same fast food joint, 3 cheeseburgers and 2 medium shakes cost $9.75. Find the cost of each cheeseburger and medium shake. Okay, guys, I'm going to take a chance here with you guys. Tell me what to do. Sir, first thing, what do I do? Thank you. Label. My boy says he wants X to equal cheeseburgers. Cool. Yeah, I want a shake and a burger now too. Yeah. My brother, thank you so much. You just got yourself one part of it. Next part, unless you would like to continue. Go for it, my brother. 5 cheeseburgers plus 3 shakes. Very proud of you, son. Equals $15.50. Great job, my brother. Yep, 3 cheeseburgers plus 2 shakes. Guess what, man? You got half the problem right now. You got half the problem right now. Thank you, my brother. Now, what would you want to do with this from here, sir? Let me just go ahead and copy this and then paste this so we can do it again. And then you could tell me verbally what you'd like to do. So you want to eliminate who, my man? You want to eliminate the y. Cool. All right, tell me what to do, please. Yeah? No. No, don't say sorry. By -3. Thank you. Because you want them to eliminate. Yes, sir, my brother. Yeah, please talk to me. Thank you.
Why would you do that by 2 and not by 4?
Okay. He wants to get rid of the y's, not the x's. But you're right. If you wanted to get rid of the x's, you would have multiplied the top by a 3 and the bottom by a -5. Perfect. You still would have gotten the same answer. Thank you, my man. So I've got 10x plus 6y equals $31, I believe. Yeah. And then 9x minus 6y equals 75. I'm sorry, what, Papa? Thank you, my brother. $29, negative $29.25. So let's do it. And that's an x. So that's x equals $1.75, right? So it's $1.75 for each cheeseburger. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Maybe it's a crystal burger or something, you know, a little thinner. Um, that's like, it's not even a burger. And now what would you like to do? Tell me what to do, rather. Okay, he wants to plug it into here. So I got 5 times 1.75 plus 3y equals 1550. And then that's going to be 5 times 1.75. So that's 875 plus 3y equals 1850. Subtract 875 to both sides. 3y equals 8.5 minus 8.75. We got 975, and that's going to be 3.25. Now that's an anomaly, huh? The shake is more expensive than the burger. And actually, that happens from time to time. Think about it. You get a burger, you know, regular cheeseburger at any fast food place, it's a buck or two, but the shake's like $3 or $4. And there it is. Guys, how do you like elimination? Cake, right? All right, guys. It's cake because you guys really, really did well. Thank you so very much. May God bless you. Hope you learned a lot and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys.